drifting up the Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. These guys seen I just recently fixed my Delta INTEGRALE, a Tamiya TTO2, the rally chassis. So I didn't have it out in a long time, and we got this snow with the ice on the top. And I know you guys see me make some cool videos running this thing on the ice, so let's give it a whirl. Yeah. Oh, I'm just falling down. I can't get out. It's so slippery. I think I'm stuck. This is the slipperiest stuff ever. This stuff is like, it is ice. Oh! Now I'm never gonna get up. Oh! I can't go on my yard's a little bit on an angle. My yard's a little bit on an angle and it just wants to roll down, you see? So when I slide, maybe I could go down there. Full brake. Oh man! Oh, don't get stuck! Uh-oh! Oh, I'm stuck. Walk of shame. Look at this stuff, guys. Watch this. It's ice. Holy smokes. Get out of there. Oh, trusty beauty out. It's just slipping. I can't get no traction. I thought I was gonna go down the wall. Oh, no! Oh, I didn't want to do that. See if I could go around here. Bummer.